Hey, this is Casey. I am One Mellow Marigold. It is Saturday. It is a gorgeous day. We are so excited because it is potato harvest day. And I am here with my friend and neighbor, Kiya. Kiya, say hi to everybody.
Hi,
How old are you?
I am 7 and I love YouTube. I would love to be on YouTube with my own channel.
Ooh, you'd be great. You would have an amazing channel.
Yes, I would.
So today Kiya is going to help me pull down the potato plants. So we are going to start carefully tearing those out. And we're going to put the camera on the table so you can see how much we're collecting as we go. Kiya, did you have something else you wanted to tell everybody?
Yeah, because if you're wondering, all these marks were from like when we were dropping off my sisters to practice. We went out of the car when we went over to the building. Then we tried opening the doors. Mia said that her friend said the doors are unlocked, but they were actually locked. So then Ayana started running to the car, I think, and then she stopped running, and then she said that they opened the door, and then I started running, and then I tripped on my face. I forgot to keep my head up, so then that's why I have all these marks. I said to Yana, am I bleeding? And then I started crying, but then she said, no, you're not bleeding. And then we went to my mom.
And she took care of you?
Yeah.
Because moms are great.
And my dad was home, so
Oh,
he took care of me
perfect. Too. And are you feeling better? Is your face feeling better now?
But if you touch all the marks, then they'll hurt.
Okay.
These ones you can touch, but they're because they don't hurt.
Okay, so we're just going to be real careful. I got it. Well, thank you so much for sharing. Yes. So we don't have to worry. She's doing just fine.
We have to be careful around the potatoes with my face with sharp stuff.
Totally good point. We're going to be real careful. All right, let's get to it. Ready? Okay, here we go.
Got my gloves ready.
First one! That's so exciting! Put it on the table.
Let me first show the viewers. Oh my gosh! Look at that! It's a nice potato, but it's all crinkly. So I'm gonna get some of the heat off. Whoop! Okay. It's okay. It's okay. 5-second rule. We're not gonna eat it yet. Or never. But we're gonna eat them someday.
Alright! Look at it! Woo!
I found one!
Yeah! Oh my gosh, guys! Let's show everybody.
Oh my gosh, look at that potato. And this is the last one I found.
I love it! I love it, I love it, I love it. Take those over.
We're finding so many snowmans and stuff.
This is.
Oh! Just in my eyes.
You alright? You need. some good hard work. We are all done. We are so excited. We pulled out of the ground, Kai and I, 17 pounds of potatoes. Super excited.
Wait a minute.
Kaya, do you want, oh, what do you got? You gonna show everybody my favorite potato? Okay,
This
hold it
is
up still. Hold it up right there.
This is Katie's.
Why is it my favorite potato?
Because you said that it's the bullet.
It looks like a booty.
And then my favorite potato is this.
Ah! What do you think that one looks like?
Because it looks like a rat
Show them the tail.
with the little tail. And then there's 2 buttons for like its shirt, and then the 2 potatoes are his eyes.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so perfect. So, did you have fun pulling the potatoes out of the ground with me? This is 2 years in a row. She's a pro now.
So much fun.
So much fun. Do you like the dirt or do you not like dirt though?
I don't like it.
No dirt. We can't get her to like dirt. What about bugs? Do you like bugs or no bugs? No bugs. That's a solid
Some
no.
people do not like bugs.
They don't. But you know what? She's real brave and she sticks in there and she tries and she learns and she looks at them and then we put them somewhere else. Anything else you want to tell the good people of the internet?
Well, before we end this video, I will.
Yeah, what do you want to say? This is it. We're coming to the end.
Well, all I want to do is thank you for subscribing to Casey and me. This is the funnest day ever because we have been planting these potatoes for like 3 years or 2 years in a row. So we really thank you all for the context and comments and subscribers and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.
I don't even need a sign off. She did it so perfect. I didn't even ask her to say that. That just came out. Natural talent, everybody. We love you so much. We're going to talk to you later. Bye.